Let us take you through the steps required for troubleshooting a module in N3uron. We can start by opening the web browser and accessing the corresponding node's web UI. Each module instance in N3uron has its own logger, which can be configured independently. This prevents any logs for one module from being affected by the behavior of other modules running in the same node. The next step is to configure the module logger. To do so, we will use the OPC UA client module that has already been created. From the Explorer panel, go ahead and click on the Expand button for the relevant module and select the logger configuration section. You will now be shown multiple configuration options. Besides enabling or disabling the logger, you can also select the level of detail shown in the log, as well as the maximum number of days that log files will be saved before automatically being deleted. Let's go ahead and change the log level to trace in the drop-down list to register all module activity. This mode logs a large amount of data, so it isn't recommended for production environments. To avoid accumulating very large files, each mode generates a new file every day. Remember to save your settings before leaving the page. Now, let's go to the Diagnostics section of the navigation panel, where we can select the node name from the Explorer. Log files can be exported by either right-clicking on the node name and selecting Export Logs, or alternatively, using the Export Logs button, which is located on the right-hand side. Next, select the OPC UA instance, hit the Export button, and select the folder you'd like to export the zip file to. Another option for accessing log files is to open the folder where N3uron is installed. In this example, I'm using Windows, so the path would be C, Program Files, N3uron. Go ahead and open the log folder, followed by the instance folder you are looking to troubleshoot. The log will then provide us with detailed information that can be used to diagnose and solve any issues. Last but not least, we can use free software such as Wintail or any other similar tool to view all updates made to new log file entries in real time. These types of tools are very easy to use. Simply open the application and select the log file you wish to review, and all registers will automatically start being updated in real time.